Welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today we're going to look at 4.2 gallons Makita MAC2400 air compressor. We'll start with setting up the air compressor, and later we'll compare it with 6 gallons Porter cable C2002. Then we'll perform quick test at the end, and I'll give you my reason why I'm replacing or upgrading to Makita. Please check out the description box below for additional information. Let's get this going. Here I made a mistake. I should have put the oil first before installing the air filter. No big deal. I took off the filter and pour in the oil as you see. Please excuse the mess in the background. As you see, there's a lot going on in our backyard. We're building a deck right now, which is why I got Makita MAC2400. We'll see the decimal meter result shortly. Alright, we're about 50 feet away and decibel meter reading for Porter cable is 65 dB, and on the left side of your screen, Makita's reading is about 60 dB. My main reason for moving to Makita MAC2400 is that it's very quiet compared to Porter cable. Now let's move on to perform a quick test. My nephew is going to help me out with the camera. Let's see how it goes. Okay, you ready? Okay.
Oh my god.